Hey there, are you going to buy an old laptop? You should definitely need to check a few things first. Let's see what. At first, check the physical condition. Believe me, you'll regret later if you buy a laptop that you doesn't like physically at first. So check if there is any dent or scratch in it. As the picture you can see, those dents are because of heavy damage. So because of this damage, internal parts could be damaged too. So it may work now, but it will have some issues later. So you are supposed to avoid this kind of damaged laptop. Also, the scratches like this, it will causes because of the some kind of damage also. So if you don't like these scratches, you can avoid them. Check all the parts carefully. Don't forget to bring USB and headphone in your pocket. Check all the USB ports and also check the headphone jack, also power adapter port, which is very important, so check it very carefully. If there is any problem or something is a loose connection, you are supposed to avoid that. Okay, now you can turn it on. Then you have to check a few things. First of all, you need to take a note about the battery, just how many percentage of battery and what is the time now, something like this kind of note. Then I have a package of kind of software for you which you can download personally, and also you can download from the Google Drive link will provide in the description. So first of all, install this one for configuration check. You can also check it from my computer properties, but I will recommend to check it from here. So let's see how to install this one. I'm speeding up here. I'll skip the installation. So this is it. This is the application interface. So you can see the details here. You can also see the temperature and other information. You can see the processor model here. So copy the model and search in the Google. And so this is the CPU benchmark. This website, I like this website. So let's go here. And this is the average benchmark here. So average benchmark is about more than 5,000 is average good for this 2020 technology. You can see here, so you can check how many RAM, how much RAM you can have. There's two slots for the RAM, so I'm using one of them. So you can add another RAM. You can see from here. I don't need to open the back panel. Okay, now keyboard check. Install this software. Pass my keyboard test. Let's see how to install and crack it. So this is how I install it. I have skipped that thing, and this is how you crack it. I'll very much recommend you to install and use the paid version. Now press all the key you need to see. Yeah, now press all the key one by one, and if it doesn't appear here, you can understand that there's something wrong in my keyboard. This key is not working, so I have this faulty key. Okay, to check the display you need to go to this website, or you can play this you can download and play this HD video here in the full screen, and check if there is any kind of dot or dead pixel dot. If you see any dot in this red color or the black color, all the color, if you find any dot in this color, you will have to understand this there is a dead pixel in there, and this is a faulty display. If there is none, then it's good. Now to check the webcam, you can just simply go to the camera apps in Windows 10 and open it, and just record a video of yourself talking. And you can also use the voice app to check your microphone. Hello, microphone testing. Hello. Now for the advanced check, let's go to the performance test. This is for the advanced checking. Okay, now let's see how to install this one. First, my performance test. To check the performance, I'm speeding up the installation process to reduce the length of this video. Now crack it. If you don't using the paid version, I'll recommend to use the paid version. With connection and the Windows Defender should be off for this, turned off for this. Okay, now run the test. This will This will check the CPU, graphics, RAM, hard disk, and everything. It will take some time. I'll skip it. Okay, now see the CPU benchmark is something like that, which was in website or something like that. So why showing some laggings? Because I'm using this laptop for more than years, and but it's reasonable, I think. So if you're not in advanced technology, just skip this. But I remember, if this taste causes hang or shut down suddenly your computer, I'm telling you again, if this taste hang this device or shut down suddenly, you should definitely avoid this, because there is some fault in the hardware. That's why the device is restarting or just turned off because of this heavy performance. Now check the battery level again and take note. Okay, now simply calculate how much time, divide the minute by the percentage and multiply it by 100 is equal to the total minute of the battery life. Now you can divide it by 60, you will get the hour, battery life hour. Now this is not the accurate or something like that, this is just a good case, I can say. Okay, thank you very much for watching.